Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Vela Visutara, student ID 2441214 from the Accounting Study Program. Today I will going to take us through the concept of probability. Probability is actually very close to our everyday life. From flipping a coin, joining a prize draw, to predicting the change of rain, all of this involve the concept of probability. What is probability? So, what essentially is probability? Probability is a measure of how likely an event is to occur. If the probability of an event is 0, it means it's impossible. If the probability is 1, it means the event is certain to happen. The closer it is to 1, the more likely it is to happen. Core concept of probability. In probability, there are three main concepts. The first is event, which is the occurrence that we observe, such as rolling a 6 on a disk. The second is sample space, which is all the possible outcomes that can occur. For example, number 1 to 6 on a disk. And the third is probability, which is the measure of how likely an event is to happen compared to all possible outcomes. Basic probability formula. The basic formula is pretty simple. The probability of an event is equal to the number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of possible outcomes. For example, when rolling a dice, the probability of rolling a 4 is 1 out of 6 possible, or 1/16. Types of probability. Probability can be divided into 3 types. First, theoretical probability, which is calculated based on pure mathematical logic. Second, empirical probability, which is based on the result of actual experiments. And third, subjective probability, which is based on belief or opinion rather than formal calculation. Conditional probability. There is also something called conditional probability. This is the probability of an event occurring given that another event has already occurred. For example, the probability that a student passes a statistics course, provided that they have studied consistently. Basic probability example. Now, let's try a simple example. If I flip a coin, what is the probability of getting hit? The answer is 1/2. Because there are 2 sides to the coin, and both are equally likely to appear hits or tails. Combined and conditional probability example. Another example, if I draw 1 card for a deck of 52 cards. What is the probability of drawing an ace or a king? Since aces and king are different events, we simply add the probability of each one. There are 4 aces and 4 kings, so 8 out of 52 cards. Although probability is 8/52 with simplest of 2/13. Real life application of probability. Probability is not just about number or theory. In real life, many things rely on probability. For instance, in insurance to calculate premiums, in business to assess risks, in technology to design artificial intelligence, and even in healthcare to predict the spread of diseases. To conclude, probability helps us make decisions in a certain situation. By understanding probability concept, we can think more logically and more structured, and of course, make smarter decisions. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question or want to discuss, feel free to ask. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.